Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a side mirror. First, you'll need to gather your tools, including a screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a new mirror assembly. Next, carefully remove the interior door panel to expose the mirror's wiring and mounting points. Then, disconnect any electrical connectors and unbolt the old mirror from the door frame. This process is straightforward and can save you money. Once the old mirror is off, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new mirror assembly onto the door, aligning it with the mounting holes. Securely fasten all the mounting bolts and screws to ensure the mirror is stable. Don't forget to reconnect the electrical wiring harness. This powers features like power adjustments and turn signals. Make sure all connections are snug. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips. Quick recommendation: after all that work, your car might need a refresh. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice air freshener. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Before you fully reassemble, test the new mirror's functions. Check power adjustments, heating, and turn signals to ensure everything works correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reattach the interior door panel and any trim pieces you removed. Make sure all clips snap into place. Finally, verify proper mirror adjustment and visibility for safe driving. You've successfully replaced your side mirror.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.